Good morning, students. Today we'll start the concept as beats. The beats is nothing but it is a phenomena belongs to sound waves. You might have heard about many times. You might have heard about what do you mean by beats. For example, in function halls or in auditorium halls, you are listening a songs. At that moment, suddenly the large sound is coming. Suddenly the sound becomes zero. Many times you have experienced about regarding the intensity of sound. For example, somewhere there has been a function is there, and you are listening a song there. Suddenly the sound coming very high intense, and suddenly the sound energy becomes zero. With respect of time, suddenly 1 second you are hearing maximum sound, next fraction of second the sound becomes zero, next second you are receiving maximum sound, next second you are receiving no sound. Maximum energy suddenly is rising, suddenly sound energy decreases, suddenly sound energy rising, suddenly sound energy falling. With respect of time, it means that periodically the sound energy, its intensity changes. That rise in intensity or fall in intensity periodically is the word indicating with respect of time. What is periodically is the word? The periodically is the word indicating with respect of sound, with alternative time of in terms of second or fraction of seconds. The sound energy increases, suddenly decreases, suddenly increases, suddenly decreases, sound suddenly increases, sound suddenly decreases. Means in terms of physics, the sound energy means sound energy in the sense the sound intensity suddenly rises, suddenly falls, suddenly rises, intensity of sound, intensity of sound suddenly falls. It means becomes zero. Rises in the sense suddenly sound energy increases, fall in the sense suddenly sound energy becomes zero. With respect of time, the rise in intensity of sound energy or the fall in intensity of sound energy, that we are going to call it as beats. How to produce a beats? There has been a condition how to produce a beats. Let us take here a person, he is standing here. What he is doing, his job is to listening the sound. There are two sound waves I have considered. This is a first sound wave moving in positive x direction, and this is a second sound wave. This is also moving in second positive x direction. But one condition is there. In order to produce a beat frequency, these frequency of these sound waves should not be equal. The frequency of these sound waves have to be slightly different. Once again, what do you mean by frequency? Frequency is nothing but number of complete cycles passing through the medium in 1 second of time. Number of getting complete cycles. This is one cycle, this is second cycle, this is third cycle. Like this, number of complete cycles passing through the medium in just 1 second of time, that number of waves with respect of time we are going to call it as frequency. For example, in 1 second, number of waves is equal to 100, then its frequency is equal to 100 Hz. If in 1 second of time 200 complete waves are passing through the medium, then its frequency is equal to 200 Hz. Like that, two sound waves. It is one sound wave moving in positive x, it is another sound wave moving also in positive x, but condition is there, the frequency of these two waves should not be same, slightly different. For example, if its frequency is equal to 100, its frequency is equal to 99, 97 or 101, like that. Or if its frequency is equal to 1000, then its frequency should be 998, 999 or 1001, like that. there should be a slightly difference in the frequency of these two waves. When these two sound waves are merged, then what is happening? This person, sometimes he is getting a maximum sound, sometimes he is receiving no sound. Sometimes he is receiving maximum sound, sometimes he is not receiving any sound. When two waves of slightly different frequency, ಎರಡೂದ್ರದ್ದು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು 100 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು 99, ಇದು 10 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು 9, ಇದು 37 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು 38, like that. The frequency should not be same. The frequency that have to be slightly different. Then when these two waves, then these sound waves are merged, then this person suddenly he is receiving a maximum sound. Means that suddenly he is receiving a maximum sound. In physics we are going to call it as rise in intensity. Or sometimes this person is not listening any sound. In physics that process we are going to call it as fall in intensity. Fall in intensity means no sound. Rise in intensity means maximum sound what this person is going to receive. What is the reason behind that one? When these two sound waves are merged with each other, there is another frequency of the wave we are getting. That sound wave we are going to call it as beats. Slightly different frequency ಇರುವಂತ ಎರಡು ಸೌಂಡ್ ವೇವ್ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಆದಾಗ ಈ ಪರ್ಸನ್ನ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದ, ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದ, ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಸೌಂಡ ಕೇಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Sometimes he is receiving maximum, sometimes normal, sometimes no sound. What is the reason behind this one? These two having a slightly different frequency and merged. ಎರಡು ಸೌಂಡ್ ವೇವ್ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ, ಇವನ್ ಕಿವಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಾಕತ್ಯಾವ. ಎರಡೂ ಸೌಂಡ್ ವೇವ್ದ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಅವಾಗ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಹೌ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೀಲ್, ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, next fraction normal energy, next fraction of second no energy. Like that this person is going to feel himself. And this phenomena of merging of two waves of slightly different frequency produces another sound wave. That sound wave is called as a beat frequency. This is beat frequency. Imagine the first sound wave, second waves moving in same direction. Their frequency is slightly different. Frequency is slightly different. Slightly different. Slightly different. They have merged. Let us take. This is a first wave, and dotted line is a second wave. Both they have merged and moving in a positive x direction. That merging resultant wave I have shown here. Let us take the first wave crust. The crust of the first wave and crust of the second wave exactly merged, means energy becomes a double, therefore energy becomes a double, means that person receiving maximum sound energy. And here trough of the first and trough of the second not completely merged, slightly merged. It means that he is receiving a normal energy. Crust and crust not 100% combined or superposed, slightly they superposed, partially they superposed. That's why the person he is receiving normal sound. This is sound energy indicating amplitude of sound wave. And see here also happening same. And again, while coming to this situation, the trough of the first wave and the crust of the second wave exactly merged. 100% these two waves are merged. First wave crust, second wave, first wave trough, second wave crust exactly merged. This is plus a amplitude, this is minus a amplitude, both getting cancelled. Then this crust of the second wave and trough of the first wave exactly superposed. As a result, this person is not hearing any sound. That's why the sound energy is zero here. and again here go to this point, exactly not merged, crust and trough exactly not merged, that's why he is hearing a normal sound. Here crust not exactly merged, that's why he is receiving a normal energy, normal sound. While coming to this situation, the first sound wave and second sound wave exactly merged, that's why he is hearing a maximum sound at C point. Here first wave and second wave not exactly merged, that's why he is hearing a normal sound. Same happening here also. And while coming to this situation, the trough of the first wave and the crust of the second sound wave exactly merged now. Both crust and trough getting cancelled with each other, then the person is not receiving any sound. And here also happening the same, exactly not merged, that's why he is hearing a normal sound. And here in this case all same. While coming to this situation, the crust of the first wave and crust of the second wave exactly merged here, that's why he is receiving a maximum sound at E point. And here also coming to this point, the crust of the first wave and the trough of the second wave exactly they have destroyed here, therefore he is receiving not sound, because this crust and trough getting cancelled, because exactly they are out of phase, therefore he is not receiving any sound. But while coming to this situation, crust exactly merged, he is receiving a maximum energy as shown at G point. Here the person receiving more energy, and here the person receiving a normal sound, and the person receiving normal sound, and the person receiving no sound here. What is the reason here? Because the person is not receiving any sound, because here the crust trough they are out of phase and cancelled with each other. This sound wave cancelled with each other, and the person is not receiving at this point. And this point we are also going to call it as waning. What is waning? Waning is nothing but it is the word indicating zero wave, zero sound energy. And again here the person receiving normal sound, here maximum sound he is receiving, because trough exactly merged, therefore he is receiving maximum sound. And here normal, and again the person is not receiving any energy here, because here crust trough exactly merged, he is not receiving any energy. Again he is receiving normal, again maximum, because crust merged, he is maximum, the sound is hearing to this person, and the process is goes on continuously. How come? A point ಒಳಗಡೆ person A, again C point, E point, G point. These points indicating that the person he is receiving maximum sound energy from these waves. And again at the point B, D, F, the person not receiving any energy, because both the wave are cancelled at that point. Getting? This is where the crust merged, the person receiving maximum energy. Where trough merged exactly, the person then also receiving maximum energy. If the crust and trough are partially merged, then he is receiving a normal energy. And this frequency, this sound, we are going to call it as a beat frequency. At this instant of time he is receiving maximum energy, again zero energy, sound ಕೇಳಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Again at this point he is receiving maximum energy, again normal energy he is receiving. There is no energy, there is no sound he is going to hear. Normal sound he is going to hear, normal sound wave. At this point he is receiving maximum sound. At this point he is listening normal sound. At this point he is listening no sound. At this point he is listening a normal sound. Again the sound energy that what he is hearing goes on increases. At this point he is receiving a maximum sound. Again the sound is goes on decreases. Again sound energy becomes zero. Again sound energy he is going to hear, that is goes on increases. Getting? This is a beat frequency. When the beat frequency is produces, when two sound waves they are moving in a same direction with slightly different frequency, then they superposed with each other to produce sometimes a maximum sound, sometimes a normal sound, sometimes a zero sound. Getting? Here maximum, normal, zero, again maximum, normal, 0, again normal, increases becomes maximum, and decreases 0. Sound energy increases and becomes maximum sound, and again goes on, decreases and becomes 0. Like this phenomena or the process goes on happening continuously. This what he is feeling. Sometimes he is going to hear a maximum sound, normal sound, 0 sound, again maximum sound, normal sound, 0 sound. This process we are going to call it as a beat frequency. What is beats? It is the process in which the person is going to listen a different sound energy. That frequency of the sound we are going to call it as a beat frequency. Where there is a maximum sound, it also we are going to call it as waxing. Where there is no sound, that one we are going to call it as a waning. Where there is a maximum sound, that point we are going to call it as a waxing. Where there is no sound, we are going to call it as a waning. Where there is a maximum sound that the person is going to listening, that sound is going to call it as a waxing. No sound, waning, maximum sound, waxing. Getting? These are the words. We can use it for a rise in intensity, means waxing points. What is waxing? It is the point where the person is listening a maximum sound. We are going to call those points are waxing or rise in intensity, means large sound. Or the points where there is no sound, we are going to call those sound is called as a waning or fall in intensity. Fall in intensity means no sound. Rise in intensity means maximum sound. This rise in intensity we are going to call it as a waxing, and this no sound means fall in intensity we are going to call it as a waning points. This is about the beat frequency. And again next, a mathematical representation of this beat frequency is also is there, that is deleted for your syllabus. And also next Doppler effect is there, that is also deleted for your syllabus. This is the last concept that what I am going to taught now, and this is regarding beats, and the definition of beats is very important. What is the definition of beat frequency? Getting? It is the rise in intensity of sound, rise in intensity of sound, or fall in intensity of sound. Fall in intensity of sound periodically, means with respect of time, periodically called beats. This definition of beats is very important. What is the meaning? It is the process in which suddenly sound is rising or suddenly sound becomes 0 with respect of time. That process is called as a beat frequency. Getting? When the person he is going to listen a maximum sound, first wave with crust ಮತ್ತೆ second wave with crust 100% merge ಆದಾಗ ಆ person ಗೆ maximum sound ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದ. That one we are going to call it as rise in intensity or waxing. Or crust of the first wave and crust of the second wave partially merge ಆದಾಗ this person is going to listen a normal sound. And when the crust and trough of the second wave, first wave crust and second wave trough, or you can take vice versa, the trough of the first wave or crust of the second wave, if exactly 100% they have merged, then this person is not listening any sound. That one we are going to call it as fall in intensity, or also call it as waning. Waning, let us remember this one. This is first wave, this is second wave. This is first wave, this is second wave. The crust of first wave and crust of second wave getting merged 100%. Merged 100%. Then this is a rise in intensity. Rise in intensity. Rise in intensity means maximum sound. Maximum sound he is hearing. Or first wave crust and second wave trough, 100% they have merged, then no sound. Then no sound. This is also called as a rise in intensity, means maximum sound. Rise in intensity or maximum sound. he is hearing maximum sound, or trap of the first wave and crest of the second wave, if they merged 100%, that is a no sound. That is no sound. Getting crest trap 100% merging, no sound. This is fall in intensity. This is fall in intensity, means no sound. Means no sound. Means no sound. First wave trough, second wave crest, if 100% they have merged, again here also no sound. Here also no sound. And this is happening. If crest trough partially merged, that is a normal sound. Getting, you remember this one, first wave crest, second wave crest, 100% merged means the person is listening maximum sound, calling it as a rise in intensity. Or first wave crest, second wave trough, 100% merging means this person is not listening any sound, that is fall in intensity or no sound. Or the trough of the first wave and the crest of the second wave, if they merged with 100%, then the person he is listening no sound, this is called as fall in intensity again. Or the another condition, that is first wave and it is a second wave, and the trough of the first wave and trough of the second wave, if they merged with 100%, then the person receiving a maximum sound. The person receiving a maximum sound. And this is the process, just you have to remember, where there is a maximum energy, call it as a waxing. Where there is a no energy, call it as a waning. Waxing, waning, waxing, like this it is happening. You might have experienced many times in a function halls, that is sometimes sound is increases suddenly, sometimes decreases, sometimes increases, sometimes decreases. That is because of merging of two sound waves produces a beat frequency. And the definition of beat frequency is important for your examination. You have to remember the definition of beats.